Okay, so the first fact is that I absolutely love the color purple. I mean, anything purple is so awesome. I mean, like, check out my shirt. Fact number dos is that I am only a perfectionist when it comes to handwriting. So, like, if a teacher has, like, some notes up on the board, I have to get down every single word, and I have to make sure every single letter is the way it's supposed to look like, or else I just freak out. Fact number 3 is that I don't really believe in makeup. I mean, as you can see, all natural here. I mean, I wear makeup sometimes for school and like when I go out with friends, but in general, I really don't see the need for it. Number 4 is that my favorite quote that I live by is never let the fear of striking out keep you from playing a game. Now, I don't know who originally came up with it, but like Tiffany Marr from season 9 of So You Think You Can Dance, if you know what that is, because you better know what that is, she said that that was her life quote, and ever since then, it's been mine too. Number 5 is that although I am Asian, I suck at school. Like, end of story. I don't even want to talk about it. That was a high five for making it through half this video. Number 6 is... Wait, what was number 6? Oh, wait. I'm running out of things to say. Oh yeah, I guess I'll say this. So, this is gonna sound really sad, but I've been taking French since middle school, and I'm pretty sure I'm better at it than I am at Chinese, which is like my second language. Number 7 is that I am a pretty musical person. I've been playing piano since I was 5, so that's been like 12 years, and I've been playing flute since 4th grade, so it's been like 7 years. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make this number 8, okay? So I just rewatched all the clips that I been recording, and I promise you guys, I am not that boring a person, okay? Like, if you guys just give me a shot, we are going to have so much fun, I promise. Okay, so I changed locations because my parents were invading my personal space, and I was not having it, like, at all. Okay, so anyways, number 9 is that I have, like, a lot of really good and really close friends, but my one best friend, her name is Ashley Osborne, and she is literally a goddess. Like, she is so pretty, and she is so caring, like a sweetheart. Like, the one that you want to meet, but never had a chance to. I actually met her. And, yeah, so I'm just so blessed, and I cannot have asked for a better best friend than her, to be honest. So, last but not least, my last fact for you guys today is that I am obsessed with something called dance, if you have any idea what that is. It is literally my life, and I cannot go a single day without dancing. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, sometimes, like, I just randomly kick my leg up or do a split, like, without even noticing. Like, that's just how natural it is to me. So, yes, if you love me and you want me to be happy, just get me something dance-related, and it will just, like, make my life. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to my first official video. If you liked what you saw, please give it a huge thumbs up, and comment and subscribe as well. And put in the comment box what videos you would like to see next, and also some interesting facts about you. I just love learning about new people. Thanks guys, and see you next week. Boop, boop, boop. I swear, it's gonna be like my outro every single time.